kids, let's learn alphabet. A for ant. B for bee, honey bee. C for cloud. D for dew. E for egg. F for fish. G for grass. H for heel. I for ice. J for jungle. K for kind. L for leaf. M for moon. N for nest. O for ocean. P for puddle. Q for quill. R for rain. S for star. T for tree. U for underwater. V for volcano. W for wave. X for synapse. Y for yak. Z for zebra.